Brian, hi, it's Peter Tandy. I'm just doing this really quick screenshot video to let you know that I had come across your website, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I leave you for a couple of years and everything goes to hell in a handbasket. Anyway, I have been following you, Mr. Mayor, on Facebook and watching all you're doing for the city of Longmont. So number one, congratulations and thank you for what you do in your public service life. But I wanted to see if we could get together on the phone for a couple of moments to talk about your websites. I called you this morning because I came across this website, which of course is your website, but it says the Denver Legal Group. And I wanted to find out if we could have a conversation because, quite frankly, you're having some challenges with Google not trusting your websites any longer. So one of the big challenges is that you can see here 100% of your listings are inaccurate. You must have a tracking website, so the phone numbers that are listed with Google, of course, are not showing up right. And then as you can see, your address is different in different locations, which is a challenge for Google, giving you and your site any kind of trust, which makes it difficult for you to rank on page one. So one of the other really quick things, and then I'll send this to you and we can get together. When I put your website into the back office of my website, I found out that although you have a really good, strong title tag and a good meta description, your header tags are very weak. Your H1 tags are bad, and your H2 are of no service to you whatsoever. So these are things that I can change, and I'd love to do that at your earliest time. So give me a phone call when you have a chance, and I look forward to talking to you soon.